Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. I'll share our videos commanded by our experts, so let's begin.
If you like, please like, share and subscribe. So let's begin our today's topic. Let's begin.
For over a decade, WhatsApp has relied on a single, permanent identifier, your personal phone number. To use the service, you provide your digits, and the app connects you to the network. But that convenience demands a trade-off. Every time you join a neighborhood group chat or message a local business, you are handing over those private digits to people you don't know. This architecture leaves users exposed. Because your identity is tied to a 10-digit string, automated systems can scrape your data, flood your inbox with spam, or initiate contact without your consent. What began as a simple way to message friends created a privacy loophole. And because it was built into the foundation of the app, users had no way to opt out. Until now. In a major update rolling out through 2026, WhatsApp is officially introducing unique usernames, finally severing the public identity from private data. Instead of relying on traditional SMS-style communication, the platform is moving toward a model where you navigate the app with a shielded identity. This is a migration of the app's internal verification process. It changes how the system confirms a user's identity, allowing connections to be established without ever needing to exchange a SIM card-linked number. The first defensive layer is the username itself. Users will soon be able to create a unique handle between 3 and 35 characters long. When messaging this new handle, the masking mechanic activates. Your actual phone number is hidden from the sender, blocked by a barrier they cannot bypass. There is one exception. Your number remains visible to those who already have it saved in local contacts. This creates a one-way mirror, allowing you to interact in public digital spaces without exposing your private base of operations. Does having a public username make it easier for scammers to search for and find you? WhatsApp's architectural choice prevents this. There is no searchable public directory, no user database, and no algorithm-based suggestion tool. Strangers cannot browse the app to find you. To start a chat, they must manually input your exact, specific username. This eliminates the possibility of being discovered randomly. Communication only begins when someone already possesses your specific handle, moving the control of your inbox from the app's database back to your own hands. For those who want the highest level of protection, the system includes a final layer, an optional secondary security pin. This acts as a failsafe. If a bad actor manages to guess or scrape your handle, they still face a final requirement before they can reach you. To deliver a first-time message, new contacts must possess both the correct username and the secondary pin. These 3 layers lock together to form a barrier that grants you granular authority over who is allowed into your inbox. While the full feature is rolling out, Meta has launched an early reservation phase globally right now. To secure your handle, first ensure you are running the latest version of the app from your App Store. Open WhatsApp and navigate to Settings. Select Account, and then tap on the Username section. Enter your desired text handle and tap Save to lock it in. Executing this process now is a preemptive strike, allowing you to secure your preferred digital identity before millions of other global users gain access. There is a unique shortcut built for content creators and established businesses operating within the broader Meta ecosystem. By linking your account center, you can automatically sync and claim your existing Instagram or Facebook handles on WhatsApp, bypassing the manual reservation process. Whether you are managing a brand or protecting your personal life, taking 2 minutes to reserve a username today is the definitive step to locking down your privacy tomorrow. To use WhatsApp's end-to-end encrypted messaging, you have always had to make a significant trade-off, handing over your actual, physical phone number. A phone number is one of the most sensitive pieces of personal data you own. It is tied directly to your physical location, your billing address, and your broader digital identity across countless databases. When WhatsApp was simply a tool for texting family and close friends, that risk was manageable. But as the platform grew to host massive community groups and international business networking, exposing that string of digits to complete strangers became a severe security liability. To patch this vulnerability, Meta is rolling out a comprehensive username system with full deployment targeted for June 2026. Meta's technical documentation describes this rollout as a patch for current messaging risks, implementing specific security protocols rather than just changing profile appearances. This architectural change shifts the app's utility away from its origins as an SMS replacement, establishing a network where a user's physical device identity is secondary to the platform's internal security logic. The first layer of defense in this new architecture is the handle itself. Users can generate a unique identifier between 3 and 35 characters long to act as their primary public-facing shield. When messaging a new contact using your new handle, the system places an opaque barrier over your data, completely redacting your physical phone number. The only exception is for individuals who already have your number saved directly in their physical device contacts. This establishes a strict privacy firewall. Your physical device identifier is permanently separated from the identity you use to converse online. Most major social platforms are built entirely around discoverability, using vast algorithms to suggest connections and drive user growth. Meta took the exact opposite approach here. They implemented a strict dark network protocol. There is absolutely no searchable public directory, and no suggestion algorithm will ever recommend your profile to a stranger. As broad search radars and automated bots sweep the network trying to scrape data, they fail to illuminate or connect with these hidden profiles. To establish contact, another user must type your precise character-for-character username to open a direct communication vector. By intentionally crippling the app's virality and network discoverability, the design aggressively prioritizes individual user security over platform expansion. For an even tighter seal, Meta introduces a third layer, the username key, an optional secondary security pin. This specific feature targets advanced threat models. If a bad actor or spammer manages to guess, scrape, or obtain your exact username from a third-party source, their attack still hits a wall. New contacts are required to input this precise secondary PIN to verify their intent and unlock the chat for the very first time. Beyond individual privacy, the update also deploys a specialized defense mechanism tailored for content creators, public figures, and registered businesses. Users can link WhatsApp directly to existing Facebook and Instagram accounts through the Meta Account Center, locking their established handles across the ecosystem. Syncing these platforms and requiring a secondary PIN creates high friction for impersonators, making it significantly harder to replicate a verified handle or bypass the initial contact requirements. While the complete global architecture will not be finalized until 2026, the early username reservation phase is officially active right now. This UI schematic outlines the steps to check your eligibility. Open the app, navigate to Settings, select Account, and look for the New Username section. From there, simply tap Create or Reserve, enter your desired handle, and hit Save to lock it in. If that specific option does not appear on your device yet, double-check that the application is fully updated through your local app store and wait for the regional rollout to reach your server. Early adopters and professionals should secure their exact name or brand handle immediately, well before the massive influx of the global user base claims the most recognizable terms. Securing a handle during this early phase ensures you dictate the name associated with your account before the wider global rollout completes.